You see, the thing about money is that it's energy. It's a flow. And when you align yourself with that flow, when you allow yourself to be in harmony with it, money comes to you easily. It comes to you effortlessly. It comes to you in ways you might not even expect. But sometimes you get in your own way. Sometimes you block that flow. And when you do that, you feel it. You feel the resistance, you feel the struggle, you feel the frustration. And so today we want to talk about 10 money skills that will easily attract millions to your pocket. These are skills that will help you get back into the flow, that will help you align with the energy of abundance, that will help you create the financial life you've always dreamed of. 1. Master the art of budgeting. The first skill you need is budgeting. You see, budgeting is not about restriction. It's not about limitation. It's about clarity. It's about intention. It's about knowing where your money is going and making conscious choices about how to use it. When you budget, you take control of your money. You take control of your life. And when you do that, you start to feel good. You start to feel empowered. You start to feel like you're in charge. And as you feel that way, you start to attract more money. Because money loves clarity, money loves intention, money loves someone who knows how to manage it. So start budgeting, start tracking your income and expenses, start creating a plan that aligns with your goals. And as you do that, you'll start to feel the flow, you'll start to feel the abundance, you'll start to feel like money is coming to you easily. 2, learn to invest wisely. The second skill is investing. You see, investing is not just about making money. It's about creating opportunities. It's about allowing your money to grow. It's about putting your money to work for you. And when you invest, you're not just building wealth, you're building freedom, you're building security, you're building a life where you can do what you love when you want, how you want. But here's the thing, investing doesn't have to be complicated. It doesn't have to be scary. It can be as simple as starting small, learning the basics, and staying consistent. And as you do that, you'll start to see your money grow. You'll start to see opportunities open up. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow, because when you invest, you're aligning yourself with the energy of growth. You're aligning yourself with the energy of abundance. And when you do that, money comes to you easily. 3, develop multiple streams of income. The third skill is creating multiple streams of income. You see, relying on one source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. It's risky, it's limiting, and it doesn't allow you to fully tap into the energy of abundance. But when you create multiple streams of income, you're opening yourself up to more opportunities. You're opening yourself up to more possibilities. You're opening yourself up to more flow. And as you do that, you start to feel good. You start to feel secure. You start to feel like you're in control. Because the truth is, money loves diversity. Money loves variety. Money loves someone who's willing to explore different avenues. So start thinking about how you can create multiple streams of income. Maybe it's starting a side hustle. Maybe it's investing in real estate. Maybe it's creating a digital product. Whatever it is, start exploring. Start experimenting. And as you do that, you'll start to attract more money. You'll start to attract more opportunities. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow. 4, understand the power of leverage. The fourth skill is leveraging. You see, leverage is about using resources, other people's time, money, or expertise to achieve your goals. It's about doing more with less. It's about amplifying your efforts. And when you leverage, you're not just working harder, you're working smarter. You're aligning yourself with the energy of efficiency. You're aligning yourself with the energy of abundance. And when you do that, money comes to you easily. So start thinking about how you can leverage. Maybe it's hiring a team to grow your business. Maybe it's using a loan to invest in a property. Maybe it's partnering with someone who has skills you don't. Whatever it is, start exploring, start experimenting. And as you do that, you'll start to see your efforts multiply. You'll start to see your results grow. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow. 5, build a strong money mindset. The fifth skill is developing a money mindset. You see, your thoughts about money create your reality. If you believe money is hard to come by, you'll struggle to attract it. But if you believe money is abundant and that you deserve it, you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. Your mindset is the foundation of your financial success. So start cultivating thoughts of abundance. Start focusing on what you have rather than what you lack. Start believing that money is flowing to you easily. And as you do that, you'll start to feel good. You'll start to feel confident. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow, because when you believe in abundance, you attract abundance. 6, negotiate like a pro. The 6th skill is negotiation. You see, negotiation is not just about getting a better deal. It's about valuing yourself. It's about knowing your worth. And when you negotiate, you're sending a clear message that you deserve more. You're stepping into a mindset of abundance and confidence. So start practicing negotiation, whether it's asking for a raise, negotiating a contract, or haggling over a price. Start asking for what you want. And as you do that, you'll start to see more money coming your way. You'll start to feel more confident. You'll start to feel like you're in control of your financial destiny. 7, protect your wealth. The 7th skill is protecting your wealth. You see, building wealth is one thing, but keeping it is another. When you protect your wealth, you're ensuring that your hard work pays off. You're aligning yourself with the energy of security. So start thinking about how you can protect your wealth. Maybe it's getting the right insurance. Maybe it's setting up legal structures. Maybe it's creating an emergency fund. Whatever it is, start taking steps to safeguard your assets. And as you do that, you'll start to feel more secure. You'll start to feel more at ease. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow. 8, network strategically. The 8th skill is networking. You see, your network is your net worth. When you surround yourself with like-minded, successful people, you open yourself up to new opportunities. You align yourself with the energy of growth. So start building relationships, attend events, join communities, and connect with people who inspire you. And as you do that, you'll start to see doors open. You'll start to feel more supported. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow. 9, continuously educate yourself. The 9th skill is lifelong learning. You see, the world of money is always changing. And when you commit to learning, you stay ahead of the curve. You align yourself with the energy of growth. So start reading books, taking courses, and following financial experts. And as you do that, you'll start to feel more confident. You'll start to feel more empowered. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow. 10, give generously. The 10th skill is giving. You see, giving is one of the most powerful ways to attract wealth. When you give, you create a flow of abundance. You align yourself with the energy of generosity. So start giving. Whether it's donating to charity, helping a friend, or investing in your community, start sharing your wealth. And as you do that, you'll start to feel good. You'll start to feel abundant. You'll start to feel like you're in the flow. So there you have it, 10 money skills that will easily attract millions to your pocket. Master budgeting, learn to invest, create multiple income streams, leverage resources, build a strong money mindset, negotiate like a pro, protect your wealth, network strategically, keep learning, and give generously. When you combine these skills with consistent action, you'll be unstoppable. Start today and watch your financial dreams come to life.